Welcome back, Crammers, to question 26. ABC is an isosceles triangle with BA equal to BC. N is on the point on AC such that AN is 9.3 centimeters and BN is perpendicular to AC. That makes this a right angle triangle. Work out the perimeter of triangle ABC. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. First off, since there's a right angle here, I can see that directly opposite to that is our hypotenuse. And if a hypotenuse and angle are present, I can use SOH, CA, TOA. Now, the angle is here and it's adjacent to 9.3. So we have to find something with both adjacent and hypotenuse. So it doesn't work, TOA doesn't work, we only have CA. So we put cos angle, which is 38, is equal to adjacent 9.3 and divided by hypotenuse. We don't know what hypotenuse is just yet. We can rearrange this by multiplying by h and dividing by cos 38. So we get h is equal to 9.3 divided by cos 38. We can then put this into a calculator to find our answer, which is 9.3 divided by cos 38, which gives us 11.8. 11.8. So now that we know that this is 11.8, and we know that this is an isosceles triangle, so that means that this side is equal to this side, that means this is also 11.8, and that means that N to C is also 9.3. So then we can combine all of this together, so we get the perimeter as 11.8 plus 11.8 plus 9.3 plus 9.3. We can then put this into calculator to get our final answer, which is 11.8 plus 11.8 plus 9.3 plus 9.3 gives us 42.2 is equal to 42.2. And since this is already 3 significant figures, we can write this down as our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.